The party was loud, a typical scene, but then you walked in and it all felt serene. We started with hype, just a simple exchange, but something was different, my whole world rearranged. And now we're here, talking till the sun's up, feeling like the world has shrunk to just us two. And I don't know how else to put it, but my cup, oh, I think I'm already into you. I'm in love with the way you move me, and that sweet smile that's just for my own eyes. My whole mind screaming, baby, repeat the story of the first night